Oh, hello, Joe.
Thank
My
you.
name is John Volmink.
Hello.
Hi. I have a question. I mean, I agree with the importance of resilience or mental toughness, and I understand that you're not necessarily, you don't have that attribute when you start off on your mathematical journey, but that you build it up through experiences such as those that you'd outlined. But I didn't hear, and I know you believe in it, but I haven't heard today you speaking about social learning, the importance of working in a group, and particularly in our context. And I wonder if you want to comment on that.
Yeah, thank you, John. It's really important that you work with others at mathematics. I just was touching on that at the end, that we know that causes other parts of the brain to develop. So there's brain reasons, but they've also found it to be really transformative for people in education. There was a study that happened at Berkeley, which is a college in the US, where one of the professors noticed that African American students were failing calculus. Chinese American students were not. And so they asked, what's going on there? Is it cultural? And what they found was the only difference was the Chinese American students did maths together. They met in the study halls, they met in the dining halls, and they worked on maths problems together. And the African American students were on their own doing maths and thinking, I can't do this. And so they instigated workshops where they just got students to work together. And within a year, 60% of African American students have been failing calculus. That dropped to 0. And that program is now instigated all over the place. But I see it as such clear evidence that we want kids talking to each other about maths. As you say, that group work part of maths is extremely important. It's more engaging for kids to discuss ideas in maths, but it also turns out to be really good for them. And actually, I think one of the reasons it's so good for them is when they work together, they realize that everybody struggles. Whereas when kids work on their own and they struggle, they think, oh, it's just me who's having problems. So, so many reasons we want kids to work together.
Thank you, Joe.
Yes, Nancy, I think that is the name of the program. It was Uri Treisman's, it is Uri Treisman's program.